Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. So we have a pretty nice little rally going on over in the crypto market. This is nice, much needed, actually. A lot of this is due to the fact that the CPI data had come out and it was positive. So we actually have some positive CPI data. So there is starting to be an ease on inflation, and that's good news, and that's what we needed to hear. Too bad we didn't have this news before this whole FTX mess up happened. So that, of course, we're in the process of recovering from this whole crisis that has happened with FTX and Binance, and well, mostly we should just say FTX because that's the real issue there. Binance really was the ones that brought that to attention, but the whole issue with FTX, so that had really tanked the entire crypto market. A terrible situation that has happened there, and I'm very sorry to anybody that has been affected by this, and I hope people are getting out of the FTX US right now and just being done with that exchange. And well, anyways, let's just move on here. So looking at what we got going on with Bitcoin right now. So we're just looking at this brief moment here, these brief, this quick crash that we just had. So looking at it, we've come down within 5 waves within that. And we have seen the price of Bitcoin bottom out at a price of around $15,500. So that's not a terrible price for Bitcoin to fall down and bottom to. I would have, honestly, I would have liked it to actually fall down a bit more. I was thinking that we would see it come down closer to $13,000 or $12,000, probably be more of a comfortable place for it to fall. But if we were looking for a bottom, I mean, this could easily be it. So let's play off of this now, and this could just be hype though from the CPI data that is pumping the price up. So we could actually be going up within a wave 4 actually and coming down in a wave 5, just to keep you guys understanding what's actually going on. So there could be some big changes to the technicals here, but going off of what we currently have. So going off of these price movements currently, we have broken from the trend, and we have some waves here to count, moving to the upside here on the hourly chart. So that's good to know. That's good to see there. And we also, this is our trend line here, which we'll go to that here in a little bit. But you can see there was a little bit of an extra pump actually as we really worked our way past that here. So there's some things going on. So let's just count what we currently have and look at this as Bitcoin going up within wave 1, coming down in a wave 2, going up in a wave 3. I'd still say that we're within this wave 3 right now. Probably see this extended a little bit on the next upswing, and then we're going to come down in a wave 4, see a little bit of retracement within that, and then we're going to go up one more time within a wave 5, if we can do that. Now, the key price here that we actually need to go above with Bitcoin is to really secure even being out of this mess. I would say to see the price of Bitcoin making it up to where this wave 4 is that we have here currently. This will kind of just be a little bit more reassurance, but not for sure confirmation that this price drop is complete. And that would be if we were to see Bitcoin going up somewhere above the price of $18,700. If it can do that, if it can manage to do that, then there might be a good chance of seeing this change in direction for now being complete, hopefully, and Bitcoin can have some good moves to the upside. Now, of course, there's the other possibility, though. We have to go with a more of a bearish possibility as well. So let's just erase what we have here and entertain this idea. So if we were to instead see this be the wave 1, the wave 2, this be the wave 3, then we could technically still see this being the wave 4, since that would be our wave 1. There's still a possibility of this being the scenario, and that would mean that we would be coming down within a wave 5. And in that case, the wave 5 would be where I would think it could go, and that would be somewhere closer to the price of $13,000 or even $12,000 as a possibility. So I'm not too confident right now that we're actually out of the woods yet, because this could just be something that is going on with the CPI data. This could just be something based off of the good news, and then we're going to see the market have a reaction in the next day and see the price come down. So that's the other scenario. So keep that in mind, that I'm not confident yet that we've actually reached that bottom. I think that there might still be one more leg down, but there's still the possibility that we have completed the bottom and we could be moving to the upside. So if it was to pass that price of around $18,700, then there might be a good possibility that we are in the first more bullish possibility, and that would be that we reached the bottom and now we're within a trend change here and we're moving to the upside. So for this scenario here to be confirmed, we're going to need to see Bitcoin's price drop one more time and fall below a price of $15,400, and then at that point we would be confirmed within that wave 5 and we would be seeing that price drop. So that would be 5 moves there to the downside at that point. And then that would be that confirmation that we would need. So then when we see a trend change from that point, then that would be more of a safer spot to say that Bitcoin reached the bottom. And I still think that somewhere between $13,000 and $12,000 is that bottom. So I think that we're going to be coming down more. If you would have asked me this a week ago, I would not have said that. But given the situation that we're in now, I think that this is a possibility just due to the fact that there's not enough good-looking wave movements here, in my opinion, to have that confirmation. So until we see this all play out this way, I'm going to still keep it all up in the air from there until Bitcoin does pass these particular prices. So anyways, I know I'm rambling on quite a bit, but Bitcoin does have a lot that it does need to achieve here. It is nice to see the Bitcoin currently is up, but I'm not going to believe anything until I see it confirmed. Now, Bitcoin currently is out of this trend line, though. That was nice to see that it did manage to have a lot of resistance within this trend line, and that is the trend line for this falling wedge that Bitcoin had been in since. Let me reset this chart here. Sorry, since Bitcoin had reached its all-time high back in November of 2021, and then it came down within these 5 waves. And when we made these adjustments to these 5 waves down, they're actually a lot more attractive now because we have a better-looking wave 4 put in place, and then a better-looking wave 3 put in place, and then we can see the distance for our wave 5, which still would have more room to fall. So these are still part of our subwaves within our longer impulses that we have here. So a lot really going on, and I'm sorry because I'm starting kind of with a reset button here on the technicals here. So anybody that's new watching, you're probably a little bit confused, and anybody that has been watching, you're probably a little bit confused because now I'm being taking more of a bearish stance here. So anyways, this is where I'm currently at with it. So I think that if we were to see Bitcoin's price go above $18,700, then I would think that there's a better chance of us that we did reach that bottom. If it does not reach that $18,700 and it falls below the price of $15,400, then that we're within a wave 5 to the downside, and we would have more to fall. And I would not call it until after a trend change. Really, I'm not going to really call anything until after Bitcoin's price really goes out of the woods and goes above a price of $25,000, to be 100% with you guys. But anyways, with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well.